Hi guys, so my friend Harry's going away with me, Riley. It's sad because, oh, look at this. Fight through this. Yes, I'll listen. So my friend's just texting at the moment. So that's my Maggie's, and that's my friend Harry with the cat over there, right? Drop her. Could you hold a bit camera so I can pet her? See, this is the fun of the laugh. Oh, that is so hard. Okay, let's go trap them. Let's go trap them, right?
Betty jumped the fence. Betty would have jumped over the fence.
Yeah. My cat jumped over the fence. Look at her. She's chilling right there.
That's the
Okay, my turn. It's your
Then we pet with the dog.
You be petting it.
What happened?
How about we both sit in the camera? Come on.
We can't set it up.
Sure. There's my kayak. Guys, here's my kayak. Okay, cool. What do you think? Now, I don't know how the heck she did that. She's only just a wee kitten. Let's set it up. I'm gonna... Okay, good. Get her over here. Maggie! Get her over here.
Wait, I'll set it up like this.
Yeah? We have 5 more minutes, guys. Right? And this is Maggie. Maggie the cool doggy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's hug her. Let's go. Get in the huggle. Let's get in the huggles.
She loves belly rub. Mate, stop trying to bite.
Yeah, stop trying
Stop
to bite
trying
me.
to bite.
Mate, what are you doing? Oh, here comes this super strong cat. Meow.
She doesn't like being picked up.
I know. Don't pick her up.
Oh no, don't touch me there. This is my no square.
Oh yeah, wait, can I do that?
Yeah.
We're doing a video. Yep. Here she is. Look at her though. Look at her. Hold up, can you hold the video so I can do that?
Sure.
Hi, baby. Baby. Owie. You okay? I'm gonna get her so I can pet her and then I'm gonna do it. Aww, Harry. I just want to do what Harry did to you. Look at her. She's grumpy, isn't she?
On my foot. I have an idea. Set the camera up there.
I can see this. Oh, come on. It's only just a dance, right? Anyways, this is a beautiful garden. Standing right next to. Harry. Well. Okay. Wow. That cat's so chill, right? I want to do it with her. Don't, Matt, no. Let her out. It's grumpy with you now, Matt.
Yeah, I don't care if the cat is compete with me. What will a baby kitten do? That's what that is.
I mean,
Let's
that's
just
about
let her chill out.
I would have just said Ronaldo in there, but I didn't. Yeah. So guys, who sit in the shade. Get her out here.
Okay, Mr. Bossy Pants.
I'd fuckers here for being a bossy.
Oh, I reckon.
So guys, it's been 5 minutes.
Biggie.
So yeah, we got the doggy out.
You could do with a mussel.
Okay.
Yeah, she can have a treat.
Oh yeah, give her a wee muscle and then take her outside and then give it to her, Harry. But look at my beautiful plush. Look at this. This very mean woman is called a Karen. Nick's neighbor. Don't tell her, but I'm gonna film her, okay? Just don't tell her. Look, this is the Karen's house. Mr. Karen, this is the nice house. Okay. No, Karen, okay. Karen this way. Totally Karen, big Karen. Yeah. Did you get the big dog out here? Yay! Give her the treat. Okay, we finally got the dog out, right, guys? Guys, look at her. Hey, that treat isn't for you yet. Sit. Good girl. There. ASMR. That was kind of fun. We got a tiny bit of ASMR. 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 It's a big